getting started. Make sure to join us again for Lights Out tomorrow.
Playseat if it takes too much damage. Try to stay with them. They might make a mistake and we could still regain the position. Okay, we've got a full course caution. The safety car's out. Keep an eye on the delta. We need to keep it positive to avoid a penalty. Slow down, maintain positive delta. Time to the car behind. Green flag. Forget the old objective. It looks like a virtual safety car's being deployed due to an incident with multiple vehicles being stopped on the track. We need you to drop your pace. Virtual safety car is ending. Maintain your pace until we get the green flags. VSC ending. Wait for the greens. Okay, there's been an incident on track resulting in loose debris. Fortunately, the marshals have managed to clear it up in time and there are so far no plans for a safety car. drive and a great finish. Well done.
It's been an absolutely wild weekend of Formula One action, and I can't wait to see what's next.